Now I'm going to the ground.
Wetin happen?
Wetin happen?
As I won't go buy something. You get one man where they there. The man beat me.
He beat you?
He won't collect my thing.
Wetin be you collect? Wetin you collect? Wetin you collect? It's okay.
Pause on that. Your laugh dey be like engine. Pause.
He beat you? Oh my God. Yeah, I go tag that person today. He beat you?
Where you drop my dagger?
Yeah, forget it. I go keep person today.
That man is there.
You collect it? Go. We will find something to chop. Another person go collect am.
20 naira wan send you for pure water. Na bet you come collect.
Come, go. Come. This one, you know.
Yeah, show me.
Okay, that side.
Na that man.
That man.
Yeah. Hey. So now she dey worry you that time.
Dey worry me. Oh, go shoot. No, wait for me. I dey come.
Oh, go shoot.
Come, wait. Get back. No, go shoot.
Good afternoon, sir. Well, sir.
No, don't beat him.
Go. If I slap you now, I go start doing bad thing.
You look rich. Now we you look. You come go.
No, you know it say they won't kill us now. Now the way we went to
So you don't plan to kill us.
Una no fit beat that man.
You can. Oh yeah, can you cook?
Una no fit
You can cook.
Come go.
Go cook for us. Manager will carry for later.
Idiot.
If you try that thing again, I will kill you.
No come now.
Don't.
Oh, that man come.
Hey yo niggas, we are back again. This is Crazy Thinkers Comedy. This is my estate. If you want, na me get am. Na T1 boy get am. This one na my girlfriend. What they, my pino.
I see they cry. That man really beat me shaggy.
How you no go beat you? You too stubborn. I don't tell you.
Please. No commit suicide because of person for this lockdown.
If you see that kind of person run, no talk say na guy you go kill. You go die. You leave ground for you.
Thank you for watching that comedy.
Send the concert. You don't see her.
Please subscribe.
Share our videos, please.
Subscribe.
And click on the notification button for more updates.
When you hot, I go hot tonight. Nah, me not
Update, yai.
Oh yeah, but it's a go.
It's a go.
It's a go.